Right then, here we go. Folks, this is my nephew's Suron. As you can see, look, it's just beautiful. That there is a Honda trx400. That in there, the Joker. That is a ltz400 Suzuki. That in over there is mine. That is now a Stomp 140. And that in over there is I reckon what it is, some kind of 250. But anyway, I'm going to be making videos with all these machines, so keep an eye out on my channel because it will be coming up soon. Actually, we're going out tomorrow, so I'll get videos and I'll get them posted onto my channel for you guys. It's definitely going to want to become better because we've got some actual machines that we can play with now. As you can see, that's Campbell in the shed there. This is all his machines, except that one's mine. Oh, here's a look. This was a piece of shit Chinese quad that I got off my sister. And I took it home and I've now put a Stomp 140 racing engine into it. It's a decent thing now, so we'll be getting that out tomorrow hopefully. And yeah, like I said, it's a... What's your white in, Campbell?
ltz400.
Oh, it's an LTZ Suzuki ltz400. As you can see there, Joker graphics. It's absolutely beautiful. And then that's in here. That's a Honda. That's a trx400. So keep an eye out on my page because these are coming out tomorrow. Ciao for now. Love yous and leave yous. Bye.